You're watching News Center. Welcome back. Now, the race for Kiambu governor's seat is taking shape, with 6 aspirants declaring their intention to dethrone Governor James Nyoro, who has also announced that he is in the running through the Jubilee Party. The others in the race are Thika Town MP Patrick Wainaina, Kiambu Senator Kimani Wamatangi, Gatundu South MP Moses Kuria, and County Speaker Stephen Disho, as well as former Governor William Kabogo. And Mwende Gatabaki is now a new entrant into that particular race. And when we have a look at the Kiambu woman representative candidates, but just before the women rep, let's have a look at the Senate race. We have John Mugwe, who is an independent candidate, and Michael Waikenda Tujibebe wa Kenya Party. And also we have George Mara, who is running for the Kiambu Senate seat with the Jubilee Party. And these are seeking to unseat the current senator, who is Kimani Wamatangi. Let's have a look at the women representative race for the 2022. Anne Wamuratha, the UDA party ticket. Gladys Shania is vying using the Jubilee ticket. And Masi Nungari Tujibebe wa Kenya Party. Njeri Bakari Chama cha Kazi, and Lois Kim, who is an independent candidate. And of course, the Kiambu race has been of so much interest, because we have seen what we call sibling rivalry, especially for the governor's race. As much as we have people, let's say Kimani Wamatangi is vying using the UDA ticket, we also have some of the other affiliate parties for the Kenya Kwanza. We are talking about William Kabogo, and we saw altercation and war of words between the two candidates. William Kabogo is vying with his Tujibebe wa Kenya Party, and of course Moses Kuria also with his Chama cha Kazi. But we have witnessed siblings rivalry within the Kenya Kwanza coalition, and these candidates seek to unseat the current Governor James Nyoro, who actually was installed as the governor after the former governor who won the 2017 race, Ferdinand Waititu, was impeached in 2020. And it's very interesting to have a look at how that is going to unpack, and of course the 3 of them trying to unseat James Nyoro. And we also have an independent candidate, of course, Patrick Wainaina. It's also most important to see what exactly was happening and how this race, remember Kiambu County is one of the counties that is, its proximity to Nairobi County draws a lot of interest and attention. And therefore, when we have a look at the races in 2013 and 2017, remember the first election, the first gubernatorial election or county elections were held in 2013 under the new constitution. So when we look at the governor race for the 2013, we see that William Kabogo was the first Kiambu County governor, and he was vying under the TNA ticket, garnering 66% of the total votes. And the current governor, James Nyoro, he was actually second with 28% of the votes. And we also have others like Charles Gikaria and David Kithi. Remember, James Nyoro came in second, but in 2017, he chose to join Ferdinand Waititu. But let's stay with the 2013 race. And when you have a look at the Senate race, Kimani Wamatangi is a 2-term senator, and he won that race using the TNA ticket. He garnered 72.59% of the total votes. That's about 367,617 votes. Stanley Githunguri came in second with 9.52%, and of course George Wanjao. That is how the senator results were like in 2013, the very first election under the new constitution. The women reposition, we had Anna Gadesha, and he also won that ticket using the TNA ticket, and she garnered 80.30%. June Koinange came in second. And when you have a look at the Senate, the women rep seat and also the Senate seat TNA. We also have the governor seat TNA. So 2013 it was a TNA affair, and remember the TNA then led by President Uhuru Kenyatta. When you have a look at the 2017 race, we saw Ferdinand Waititu unseating William Kabogo, who in his second attempt came in second with 21.01%, and he was actually an independent candidate, while Ferdinand Waititu won the Jubilee Party ticket, and the third was James Njuguna, and we also had Gakuru Kanyanja. When you have a look at the 2017 election results for the Senate, Kimani Wamatangi retained a seat, and also still with the Jubilee Party ticket after garnering 74.86% of the total votes, and Karungo Dhangwa also garnered 22.82%. He was an independent candidate. That was also Jubilee. And when you have a look at the governor for 2017, it was the Jubilee Party, Ferdinand Waititu, that won that seat. When you look at the women rep, it was Gathoni Wamushomba who won with a massive 94.19%. Jen Shege came in second. She was an independent candidate. So when you have a look at both the 2017 and the 2013 races, it was a TNA Jubilee Party affair. But now, right now, when you have a look at the 2022 race, something very interesting. We have the Kenya Kwanza now, the Kenya Kwanza, which is being led by Deputy President Dr. William Ruto, also Azimio. James Nyoro then, remember in when you have a look at the governor race 2017, James Nyoro was the deputy of Ferdinand Waititu, but he became the governor mid-term after Ferdinand Waititu was impeached. And therefore now, that was the Jubilee ticket. Remember, Nyoro is going for the same seat with the same ticket that saw Ferdinand Waititu win, Jubilee Party ticket. But now for the Kenya Kwanza, the UDA party, we have now the current senator of Kiambu County, Kimani Wamatangi, who is now seeking to be elected as the next governor of Kiambu County. So it's just a matter of who is going to be now the next governor of Kiambu County, the senator